Get ready for a significant upgrade in your Samsung device experience. The much-anticipated One UI 8 is set to transform the way you interact with your phone, bringing AI-driven innovations to your fingertips. But here's where it gets interesting. While Samsung's latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, already enjoy the benefits of One UI 8, other eligible devices have been patiently waiting for their turn. Fear not, for Samsung has unveiled its rollout plan, promising an exciting September for Galaxy S25 series owners. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about getting the update. It's about understanding the groundbreaking features and improvements that come with it. Samsung has officially announced that the stable version of One UI 8 will begin its journey across eligible devices starting in September. The Galaxy S25 series will lead the charge, with the update gradually making its way to other deserving models. This marks the beginning of a new era in smartphone usability, where AI and foldable technology converge to redefine daily life. Up until now, Samsung has been diligently testing One UI 8 through 5 beta releases for the Galaxy S25 lineup. Speculations arose when whispers of a 6th beta version surfaced, leading some to wonder if the final release would be delayed. However, Samsung's confirmation of the September rollout puts those concerns to rest, ensuring Galaxy S25 users that the polished public version of the update is right around the corner. What's even more intriguing is Samsung's collaboration with Google to enhance AI capabilities. According to Nawang Han, the Android framework developer overseeing the partnership, both companies joined forces from the get-go, meticulously planning and executing every step to integrate the latest features seamlessly into One UI 8. This partnership is a testament to Samsung's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology to its users. But what does this mean for you? If you're a proud owner of a Galaxy S25 series device, get excited because September holds a world of possibilities. From smoother multitasking to smarter personalization, One UI 8 is set to revolutionize how you use your phone. So, are you ready for the upgrade of the year? Share your thoughts in the comments below.